Spring vegetable and chickpea couscous. Firstly, add 200 grams of couscous into a large heatproof bowl and pour over 200 ml of water. Cover with cling film and leave for about 5 to 10 minutes until soft. Add 2 cans of drained chickpeas into an ovenproof dish and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, some black pepper and mix well. Put the chickpeas in a preheated oven and cook for around 15 minutes. Now add 250 grams of frozen peas to the chickpeas along with the zest of 2 lemons and mix well. Pop the chickpeas back in the oven for around 10 minutes until warmed through. Once you've fluffed up the couscous with a fork, add the cooked chickpeas. Now add 250 grams of grated radishes, 1 chopped cucumber, a large pack of chopped parsley and half a pack of chopped mint. Add the juice of the 2 lemons and give it a really good mix to combine the ingredients. Serve with natural yoghurt or feta cheese and a sprinkling of pomegranate seeds. Serve and enjoy.